In this step, let's go deeper into add primary versus add qualifier. Which one to use? Let's take another example. Let's say there is a complex algorithm that I am writing, and as part of that algorithm, I would want to make use of the different sorting algorithms. So what we have done is we have created an interface called sorting algorithm. Let's assume that there is an interface called sorting algorithm, and quicksort, bubble sort, and radix sort are the different sorting algorithms that we have implemented. So over here, you can see that complex algorithm is a component, and we have auto-wired the sorting algorithm into it. We also have another complex algorithm which also wants to use sorting algorithm. And that's why we auto-wired sorting algorithm into another complex algorithm as well. Now the question is, when do you use add primary and when do you use add qualifier? Add primary, what does it mean? It means that a bean should be given preference when multiple candidates are qualified. When I have 5 beans, and if one of them has add primary on them, then that bean would be given preference. Add qualifier, a specific bean should be auto-wired. What add qualifier does is it would auto-wire a specific appointed bean in. Over here, you can see that we are adding add qualifier on radix sort. What's the name we are giving it? Radix sort qualifier. And over here in the another complex algorithm, we are adding an annotation. We are saying add qualifier, radix sort qualifier. So in another complex algorithm, we only want to make use of radix sort. In complex algorithm, we are saying we want to use a sorting algorithm. Give me the one with the highest priority. So when deciding add primary versus add qualifier, always think from the perspective of the class which is using the specific dependency. So you need to always think from the perspective of complex algorithm and another complex algorithm. In complex algorithm in here, we are only making use of add auto-wired. We don't have any qualifier on it. When we do that, what we are telling is give me a preferred sorting algorithm. I don't care which sorting algorithm you're going to give me. If you have one sorting algorithm, give that to me. If you have 10 sorting algorithms, give me the primary. So complex algorithm is telling, give me a sorting algorithm which is the most preferred one. However, when we are making use of add qualifier, that is basically add auto-wired plus add qualifier. In that kind of a scenario, what we are telling is that I would only want to use a specific sorting algorithm. So another complex algorithm over here is telling us, I want to make use of radix sort. I don't want to make use of any other sorting algorithm. Always remember that add qualifier has higher priority than add primary. So over here, another complex algorithm will be auto-wired with radix sort. So in summary, whenever you're deciding between add primary and add qualifier, always think from the perspective of the class which uses the dependency. So think from the perspective of complex algorithm or another complex algorithm. If it's okay to use any of the sorting algorithms, then go ahead and use just add auto-wired. If you want to use a specific sorting algorithm, go ahead and use add qualifier. One very, very important thing to remember is that if you don't have a qualifier annotation on this, for example, add qualifier, radix sort qualifier, if it's not present in here, then you can use the name of the bean as the qualifier as well. So if this add qualifier annotation was not present in here, I can say add qualifier, just radix sort with a small r. The name of the bean would be radix sort with a small r. So you can use that in here to auto-wire the bean in as well.